Hey, what's going on? Sometimes you need to cut your plywood at an angle like this. So how are you going to do this if you don't have a track saw? The simplest way is to make a jig on a table saw. So, the simplest way is to take a piece of plywood or whiteboard, like here, a couple strips of wood. You clamp it down to a table saw, so it should be stable. And then you decide the angle, put your plywood inside, and you can cut it straight away. Let me show you how I do this, okay? So I recommend you, for your safety, to put your clamp and it will hold down the plywood. So don't do it like me, put a clamp here, okay? Thank you. Let me show you how to strip this. So that's how you get a clean cut. So if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, go down below and click the subscribe button. Follow me on social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching and see you next Sunday.